If you've ever pushed a traditional mop around and realized you're mostly just moving dirty water from one corner of the room to the other, it's time to stop scrubbing and start steaming. Welcome back. If you're looking for a professional level deep clean without the professional price tag, the Amazon Basics Steam Mop is the essential home care workhorse for 2026. This isn't just a fancy broom, it is a high-temperature sanitization tool. The standout feature for 2026 is the rapid prime heating element that gets you from plugged in to full steam in just 30 seconds. By using nothing but tap water, it provides a 100% chemical-free clean, which is a game changer for households with curious pets or crawling toddlers. The pressurized steam doesn't just wipe away surface dirt. It dissolves stubborn grease and lifts grime from the pores of your sealed hardwood, tile, and laminate floors that a regular mop would leave behind. What really makes the Amazon Basics model a smart choice for 2026 is its no-nonsense utility. It features a generous 20-foot power cord, allowing you to clean large rooms or long hallways without constantly hunting for a new outlet. It comes with 3 premium washable microfiber pads, which are engineered with a textured scrub zone to tackle dried-on spills. With its lightweight, slim-profile swivel head, it glides under cabinets and around furniture legs with ease, turning what used to be a back-breaking chore into a quick 10-minute refresh. Click the link below for the best price and finally ditch the mop bucket for good. If this breakdown helped you find a faster way to a cleaner home, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the everyday tech that actually makes sense. See you in the next one.